Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to download high quality videos from Messenger. Whether you want to save a funny clip or an important video, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Scroll through your chats and tap on the conversation where your video was shared. Once you found the video, tap on it to play. This will open up the video in a full screen. Then go ahead and tap on the download icon on the top right corner and allow Messenger to access your photos and videos on this device. Once the download is complete, you can find the video in your device's gallery or downloads folder. Open it to check the quality. And that's it. Now you know how to download high quality videos from Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.